I'm gonna show you how to replace the wipers on your car. Okay, I seen outside or alley or AutoZone, they trying to help you to replace your wipers, and the first thing they do, they lift the arm like this and they start working on it. So one thing you want to do, you want to put something on it. Right now I'm using a pad. You can put your jacket, put something, because if this thing falls down and it doesn't have the wiper, you just broke the windshield. And that happened to my customers, Brian AutoZone. So to replace it, make sure you put something on it, because now you're gonna remove the wiper. You flip the wiper, it has this little knob. Okay, in this case, you pull it and you're gonna push it. No, hold on. All right, so in this case, what you're gonna do, you're gonna flip it. You push this little knob right here, this one, in, and then you grab the wiper and you pull it back. Okay, now went in and move it out of the way. The new one is different. The new one has this little thing, so you're gonna slide that piece into it. Alright, so now when we got the wipers out, we have a new wiper. I like these ones. You can get this from AutoZone. I think they call it Auto Blade. You lift this little piece up right here, and now you're gonna slide this piece. See, that's like a hook. You're gonna slide the hook into it. So, oops, you just fell down. Hold on. Wow. Look, the guts on my phone. The phone fell in two pieces. Okay, I guess you don't need that back piece. Oh, my phone broke. Alright, anyway, you put this thing inside, right there. You go all the way down. You see? Now it's inside. I put it in. Now you're gonna pull till it clicks. Once it clicks, now you flip this. You can take the whatever you put on. See this white piece? Take it out. I seen a lot of people driving with this thing on. You take it right out. Okay, so now you got new wipers. Okay, so same thing on the other side. You lift the arm and you put your whatever. You turn the wiper up. You push the little knob and you pull the wiper down. Okay, see? And you slide it out of the hole. See, it went this way. Okay, now throw it out and get a new wiper.